There's nothing quite like the warming delight of a baked potato soup. Always one of my favorites when I go to a restaurant. Here's how I make a quick one at home. The first thing we're adding to our Dutch oven on a medium-low heat is our bacon. We want to render out the fat and crisp up the bits. Once they've browned up nicely, set them aside on a paper towel. Using that rendered bacon fat, let's toss in some diced onions and some minced garlic. Let's soften and brown them for a bit before adding about 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Combine the flour in with the fat, garlic, and onion before adding some chicken broth. Whisk the flour mixture thoroughly into the broth to combine. Once thoroughly incorporated, add in about 6 yellow potatoes, diced. The chicken broth should mostly cover all the potatoes. I ended up using about 6 cups of broth here. Turn the heat up to medium and cover the soup. We're going to boil the potatoes until they're easily pierced with a knife. With the potatoes now boiled, we're going to take our immersion blender and blend up the diced potatoes. Feel free to leave it as chunky as you like. I like a good couple chunks in my soup. Once at your desired consistency, kill the heat, add in 2/3 cup of heavy cream, half of your bacon bits, and some shredded cheddar cheese. Feel free to add in some sour cream or green onions here if you have them, but have everything stirred together nicely and your soup is ready to go. Top this savory soup with some bacon bits and some more cheese. Surprisingly, per serving, each bowl is about 300 calories and 20 grams of protein, but I'm not really eating this to be healthy, so you absolutely know I'm getting a second bowl. Hope you try it for yourself and enjoy.